stole it. Running on the daddy bitch too fast, I can't control it.
Hold it like this. Face it. Look at them recording. Let me see. That one hard? Let me see. You need the night riders.
Wait, it's the kids next door. Percocet all on me, on my phone got what you need. Hellcat ain't catching me, all the leader screens on me too deep. That's up in my skinny jean, treat that bitch like Billie Jean. Polo white T50T, put it on, I got a feeling me. I'm making it double, niggas in trouble. Blow with a 30, I ain't on the scope. And they okay with trapping, he keep running rope. I told her I like her, she thinking I love. They know my body, they know I'm a hustle. I get it by any means.
I got it, let go, let go.
I get it by any means. She thought you were coming for me, but I brought a J for the team. We on the take too far, I'm out the car, no running right down on me. I won't even kill on the beach. Going down on me, remember them days I broke, now I'm going up, that it can't look down on me. I knew you was prying on me, nigga hating on me, had to get from around home. I do this shit with my brothers, if you're not with me, you know this fucking. Show me you flow one time, if you call the line, and I never trust you. One time the bitch that I love you, if I do it, she knew I would lie. She was trying to roll up on me, but the whole couldn't do it, cause I'm one of a kind. Percocet, these bitch are coming for me, but I brought a J for the team.
Yeah. The biggest. Yeah. On top shit.
I already know that, but hey, you my nigga, I know you could've fucked me up, man.
My bad. Y'all ain't Cali Beach on. Y'all ain't graduated.
Oh yeah, that boy cat.
Yeah, man. No cap.
Cat help.
Stupid ass. This motherfucker is hard. 6.4 liter charger. SRT on the rim. Brembo brakes. Oh my god, this motherfucker is hard. Sheesh. The big tips on that motherfucker. SRT8. Get a little oil change. See my baby right there all blacked out. Damn! Oh, that shit over with. Damn, fool. But I ain't never see a tire look like this, fool.
That's what I'm telling you, but that bitch.
Oh my god.
That
Fool, it's not even like,
That's not a
that
tire,
bitch is
bro.
round. Like, it's like,
Look at
it's
this.
no thread. It's like 0 thread.
Gene Kelly, I mean, you wash his car. He'll put
Yeah, that one. Straight. Well, you can't go. I ain't okay. You might well move in with Clump. This shit over. You can't go nowhere, fool.
all folk.
You might well move in with Clump right now.
He got everything in the trunk.
Oh my. Boy, your ass tweaking. Boy.
Tie the whole.
Look, it's already popped, nigga. It's the string. You can see the string.
All you gotta do is stab that motherfucker. That bitch gonna explode. Bang! Just touch it. That bitch will explode. All you gotta do is hit one of these.
You going on YouTube, my boy.
That shit, that bitch.
I come outside and I look on the back of my shit. My shit say SR. What the fuck is an SR? The whole T in the cap that came off. I don't know what the hell going on, bro. Now I gotta ride around this time, get some super glue. Shit say SR. That shit crazy.
You out bad.
First time the cat around again.
You out.
Out bad.
Damn.
Damn. Damn.
Damn.
The big star.
That's gonna get us there at least.
They doing all that big.
They gotta get us
They
there.
gonna get y'all somewhere.
Put the top back on. Put that shit back in there.
I don't need this.
Put it in the trunk. Nah, I ain't get shot. It was stolen, and the person who stole it got basically, yeah. The person who was in it, they got shot.
Damn.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to get rid of all these bullet holes. I was supposed to be driving it to get the bullet hole fixed, but I'm getting it towed because the drive is 40 minutes away, so I don't want to drive it with the bullet holes like this. So I'm just getting it towed to the tow spot that's 40 minutes away to get the bullet hole fixed. It's the last time y'all gonna see it like this. The last time. Ah, no bullet holes gonna be gone. Let's go. Trappers, tap in. Trappers, tap in. What's going, YouTube? What's going, Trappers? Right now I'm on the way to pick up the car. I just got the call saying it was done, so I'm on the way to pick up this goddamn car. The bullet holes should be gone Well, they would be gone. I'm trying to see how it's gonna look, cause I don't know how it's gonna look yet. So hopefully y'all should be surprised. Y'all stay tuned.
Nah, I ain't cold right now because I've been moving around a lot. I don't get cold like that. Yeah, I'm a driver.
This is how the car look in the sunlight. Oh my God, they did a good job on the paint. Look at the paint, y'all. They matched it correctly, the exact same way. I'm gonna give the Instagram to the body man who worked at the body shop who did it for me. Damn, the bullet holes is really gone. They did a good job. This window right here doesn't work, so I gotta get this fixed right here. That's why it's down, but I'm gonna get it fixed. Damn. If y'all knew how this car looked before, y'all be like, damn. Progress, y'all, progress. That's all that matter, progress. 22 bullet holes. They all gone. That shit look good. I just gotta get this front bumper replaced. Some door damage on the side over here. Gotta get them badges, new brakes, new wrap, everything. New spoiler, new front, new back diffuser, new logos. This shit finna look good. No more bullet holes, y'all. No more.
Hey, yo, Kwashi, turn it up.
50 on my glazing nigga. Ain't this bitch had any nigga. We can do it how you wanna do it. Stand on bending niggas. Good aim, I hit plenty niggas. Let off a lot of shots. Don't do that threat shit. Play with me, you gotta die. Gang with me, stick though. Everybody got a 30 at. Slide through this bitch and on my car, you better hurry at. All he heard was got his ass. On my all get body back. This ain't Call of Duty, he ain't coming back. Hit him with that switch like he at grandma's house. Dumb bitch, bitch get on that drumstick. We get on that dumb shit. Glock came with a drum kit, like it made beats or something. Ho ain't tryna let me fuck like she no freak or something. Let him act like he don't know, then we gon' teach him something. Fuck around, shoot off in hand, bitch, what you reaching for? He ain't see me coming, I was creeping up. After I slept that little hoe out, bitch, what we speaking for? 50 on my glazing nigga. Ain't this bitch had any nigga. We can do it how you wanna do it. Stand on bending niggas. Good aim, I hit plenty niggas. Yeah, let off a lot of shots. Don't do that threat shit. Play with me, you gotta die. Gang with me, stick though. Lately been popping my shit, how I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the blitz. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in the inch. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in a second. I caught that boy lacking, he died with it weapon. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch her up, I'ma send on the heaven.